These foods clean your kidneys quickly. Maintaining kidney health is essential for overall well-being, as the kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste products and toxins from the body, regulating blood pressure, and maintaining electrolyte balance. A key aspect of supporting kidney function lies in adopting a nutritious diet rich in foods that promote renal health. From hydrating adequately to consuming antioxidant-rich foods, each dietary element offers unique advantages that contribute to the maintenance of optimal kidney function and the prevention of kidney-related complications. Through understanding the role of nutrition in kidney health, individuals can make informed dietary choices to support their renal well-being and overall health. Number 1. Water. Proper hydration. Adequate water intake keeps the kidneys well hydrated, which is crucial for their proper functioning. When we are well hydrated, blood volume is maintained at healthy levels, allowing the kidneys to efficiently filter toxins and waste from the blood. Water also helps prevent the formation of crystals and kidney stones by diluting substances that can accumulate and cause stones. Blood pressure regulation. Water plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. Well-hydrated kidneys can maintain a proper balance of sodium and potassium in the body. This helps control blood pressure, as excess sodium can lead to fluid retention and increased blood pressure. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial for preventing long-term kidney damage such as chronic kidney disease. Waste and toxin removal. The kidneys filter waste and toxins from the blood, which are then excreted in urine. Water is essential for this filtration and excretion process. When well hydrated, the kidneys can more effectively work to remove waste, helping prevent the buildup of harmful substances in the body. This is crucial for maintaining kidney health and preventing complications related to toxin accumulation, such as urinary tract infections and kidney failure. Number 2. Cranberries. Urinary tract infection prevention. Cranberries contain natural compounds called proanthocyanidins, which have been associated with preventing urinary tract infections, especially those caused by the bacteria Escherichia coli, E. coli. These compounds help prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, thus reducing the risk of infections. Regular consumption of cranberries or their juice may help reduce the incidence of UTIs, which is beneficial for kidney health since recurrent UTIs can lead to kidney complications if not properly treated. Reduced risk of kidney stone formation. Cranberries have mild diuretic properties, meaning they can increase urine production and promote the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. Increasing urine volume can help prevent the formation of crystals and kidney stones by diluting substances that can accumulate and form kidney stones. Additionally, antioxidants present in cranberries may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, which can also contribute to preventing kidney stone formation. Support for healthy kidney function. Antioxidants found in cranberries, such as flavonoids and vitamin C and E, can help protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. This may help maintain healthy kidney function over time, reducing the risk of developing chronic kidney diseases. Additionally, cranberries are naturally low in sodium and rich in potassium, which can help maintain electrolyte balance in the body, essential for kidney health. Number 3. Lemon juice. Kidney stone prevention. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid, a compound that can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Citric acid increases urine volume and helps reduce the formation of crystals in the kidneys by inhibiting the aggregation of calcium oxalate and other minerals that can lead to kidney stone formation. Additionally, citric acid can help dissolve existing kidney stones, making it easier for them to pass through the ureters and reducing the risk of obstruction and pain. Hydration boost. Lemon juice can be a tasty way to increase fluid intake, which is crucial for kidney health. Staying well hydrated is important to ensure that the kidneys function properly in filtering waste and toxins from the blood. Additionally, adequate hydration can help prevent kidney stone formation by diluting minerals and substances that can contribute to their formation. Adding lemon juice to water can make it more palatable and encourage fluid intake throughout the day. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action. Lemon juice contains antioxidants like vitamin C, which can help protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. This is important for maintaining long-term kidney health, as oxidative stress and chronic inflammation can contribute to the development of kidney diseases such as diabetic nephropathy and glomerulonephritis. Additionally, the antioxidants in lemon juice may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, which can be beneficial for people with inflammatory kidney diseases. Number 4. Beets. Detoxification and purification. Beets are rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and betaine, which help detoxify the body and promote kidney health. The antioxidants in beets help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys, protecting kidney cells from damage. Additionally, betaine is known to support liver function in detoxification, which can indirectly benefit kidney health by helping to remove toxic substances from the body. Promotion of cardiovascular health. Beets are an excellent source of natural nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a compound that helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. Improving blood circulation can help reduce blood pressure and alleviate the burden on the kidneys, thus promoting kidney health. Additionally, a healthy cardiovascular system is closely linked to kidney health, as high blood pressure is a risk factor for kidney diseases. Blood pressure regulation. Beets are an excellent source of potassium, an important mineral for blood pressure regulation. Potassium plays a crucial role in the body's electrolyte balance, helping counteract the effects of sodium on blood pressure. Consuming beets regularly can help maintain a healthy balance of electrolytes, which can help prevent high blood pressure and reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease related to high blood pressure. If you're looking for a complete life transformation over the next 3 weeks, then you're in the right place. We present you the Smoothie Diet, the weight loss program that is revolutionizing the world due to its speed and effectiveness. Whether you need to lose the last 5 to 10 pounds or you want to get rid of 40 pounds or more, this will work for you. This diet is extremely flexible, so even though this program is 21 days, you can continue using it for as long as you want to lose as much weight as you want. In this program you will receive the complete 21-day weight loss and health improvement program, over 36 delicious fat-melting meal replacement smoothie recipes, shopping lists for each week to make it super simple to get everything you need, and smoothie making tips and prep guide to make sure there is zero trial and error. In addition to receiving 2 more bonuses to further enhance your weight loss. For more information, access the link in the description, or the link pinned in the first comment. Number 5. Spinach. Rich in antioxidants, spinach is an excellent source of antioxidants such as vitamins A and C, as well as flavonoids and carotenoids. These antioxidants help protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the kidneys. This is important for maintaining long-term kidney health, as oxidative stress can contribute to the development of kidney diseases such as diabetic nephropathy and glomerulonephritis. High potassium and low sodium content, spinach is an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral for kidney health. Potassium plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure and electrolyte balance in the body. Consuming potassium-rich foods like spinach can help maintain blood pressure within healthy levels and prevent fluid retention, thus reducing the risk of kidney complications related to high blood pressure. Additionally, spinach is naturally low in sodium, which is important for individuals with kidney issues, as excessive sodium intake can increase blood pressure and strain the kidneys. Source of magnesium. Spinach is a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays an important role in kidney health. Magnesium helps regulate kidney function and prevent the formation of kidney stones by acting as a natural inhibitor of crystal formation. Additionally, magnesium is involved in metabolic processes that affect kidney health, such as regulating the production of hormones involved in blood pressure regulation. Consuming spinach regularly can help ensure adequate magnesium intake, which can benefit kidney health. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Rich in potassium and low in sodium, sweet potatoes are an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral for kidney health. Potassium plays a crucial role in blood pressure regulation by counteracting the effects of sodium in the body. Consuming potassium-rich foods like sweet potatoes can help maintain blood pressure within healthy levels, thus reducing the risk of kidney diseases related to high blood pressure. Additionally, sweet potatoes are naturally low in sodium, which is beneficial for kidney health as excessive sodium intake can lead to fluid retention and increased blood pressure. Antioxidant source: sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants such as vitamins A and C, which help protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress in the kidneys can contribute to the development of kidney diseases such as diabetic nephropathy and glomerulonephritis. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods like sweet potatoes can help reduce oxidative stress and promote long-term kidney health. High fiber content: sweet potatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which plays an important role in kidney health. Fiber helps promote gastrointestinal health by preventing constipation and reducing the risk of toxin buildup in the body. Additionally, fiber can help control blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing kidney complications in individuals with diabetes. Maintaining a healthy digestive system is essential for ensuring efficient elimination of waste and toxins from the body, benefiting kidney health. Number 7. Turmeric. Anti-inflammatory properties: turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can play a significant role in the development of kidney diseases such as glomerulonephritis and diabetic nephropathy. Curcumin can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, protecting kidney cells from damage and slowing the progression of these diseases. Potential for kidney disease prevention: studies suggest that curcumin may help prevent kidney diseases such as diabetic nephropathy due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric can help reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys by neutralizing free radicals and protecting kidney cells from damage. Additionally, curcumin may help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing kidney complications in individuals with diabetes. Assistance with detoxification: curcumin has been studied for its potential effects on body detoxification, including the removal of toxins from the kidneys. Turmeric can help increase the activity of antioxidant enzymes in the kidneys, promoting the elimination of harmful substances and supporting healthy kidney function. Additionally, turmeric may help prevent the formation of kidney stones by inhibiting the aggregation of minerals and crystals in the kidneys. Number 8. Ginger. Anti-inflammatory properties: ginger contains bioactive compounds such as gingerols and shogales, which have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to the development of kidney diseases such as glomerulonephritis and diabetic nephropathy. Regular consumption of ginger can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, protecting kidney cells from damage and slowing the progression of these diseases. Potential for kidney stone prevention: studies suggest that ginger may help prevent the formation of kidney stones, also known as kidney stones. Ginger has mild diuretic properties, meaning it can increase urine production and promote the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. This can help prevent the formation of crystals and kidney stones, thus reducing the risk of obstruction and pain in the kidneys. Relief from nausea and vomiting associated with kidney problems: ginger has traditionally been used to relieve nausea and vomiting, common symptoms in patients with advanced chronic kidney disease, during dialysis sessions, or after kidney surgeries. Compounds present in ginger can help soothe the stomach and reduce the sensation of nausea. This can improve overall comfort and quality of life for patients with kidney diseases, making it easier to cope with the side effects associated with treatment. Number 9. Apples. Rich in fiber and water, apples are an excellent source of dietary fiber and contain a significant amount of water. Fiber helps promote gastrointestinal health by preventing constipation and aiding in the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. Adequate hydration is essential for kidney health, and the high water content in apples can help maintain proper kidney function by promoting urine production and the elimination of unwanted substances. Low sodium and potassium content: apples are naturally low in sodium and have a moderate potassium content. For individuals with kidney issues, maintaining a proper balance of electrolytes like sodium and potassium is important to avoid overloading the kidneys. Consuming apples can help maintain this balance by providing potassium in a healthy amount without adding sodium to the diet. Rich in antioxidants, apples are an excellent source of antioxidants such as vitamin C and flavonoids. These antioxidants help protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the kidneys. Additionally, antioxidants present in apples may help prevent kidney inflammation, which is crucial for long-term kidney health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of apples may be associated with a lower risk of developing kidney diseases such as diabetic nephropathy. Number 10. Garlic. Anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic contains bioactive compounds like allicin, which possess anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can play a significant role in the development of kidney diseases such as glomerulonephritis and diabetic nephropathy. Regular consumption of garlic can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, protecting kidney cells from damage and slowing the progression of these diseases. Antioxidant action. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, such as sulfur compounds, that help protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress in the kidneys can contribute to the development of chronic kidney diseases. Consuming garlic regularly can help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys, thus promoting long-term kidney health. Mild diuretic properties. Garlic possesses mild diuretic properties, meaning it can increase urine production and promote the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. Increasing urine volume can help prevent the formation of crystals and kidney stones, reducing the risk of obstruction and kidney pain. Additionally, garlic consumption may help maintain blood pressure within healthy levels, which is important for kidney health as hypertension is a risk factor for kidney diseases. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends.